Before you embark on your journey to the roof of the world, there's one crucial step: navigating the permit process. You'll need up to 4 permits depending on your itinerary. The primary one is the Tibet Travel Permit, required for all foreign travelers. The process begins by choosing a tour and contacting a licensed Tibetan travel agency, as independent travel is not permitted. Once you've selected your agency, like Experience Tibet, you'll need to send them a clear scan of your passport. They will handle the official application on your behalf with the Tibet Tourism Bureau. The Tibet Travel Permit typically takes 5 to 10 working days to process, so plan ahead. The dream adventure to Tibet is waiting. Start your journey today with a trusted partner.